Hello, I'm Smithy. This is a Kentucky. I keep all my leads with in one box or a couple of boxes, and I'll label them all with Tipp-Ex so I know what's what. Anyway, so we're going to go out with a black light, right? And I don't think I could do it justice before because I was too near you. But these rocks are something else. So we're going to have a look on the beach. I'm going to take you on the beach. I'm going to use this GoPro and see what we can find with the black light. I've got to go feed my mother, and on the way back I'm going to have my exercise. Sue's finished work so I can get out. But the thing is, it's going to be dark by then, so that's the reason why I got the black light. But anyway, that's what we're going to do. But we're going to do it in my car rather than the van, because the van attracts a bit much attention when you know, parking a 22-foot motor on near a beach. So we're going to go in my car, sort things out, and then we're going to the beach. I'm going to have a walk for half an hour down the beach. I would take the dogs with me, but I don't take them on the beach, specifically because if there's one dog loose from somebody, I can't run after my dogs to pick them up and get them out of the way. So if you know, that's the danger with the beach. So, and I don't take them where that's why I always take them to the park and ride. It's a fence all the way around. They can run about and do what they want, and nobody bothers them. And I suffer with sciatica and things like that. But anyway, it's that's the way I roll that way. I've got to charge the chargers up for my lights as well. Right, so let's set off. Well, let's go to the beach. We just need it to be dark. So what we need is a bit of darkness, and I'm going to try and show you the beach that I was on. Right, Gale. There's the beach, and that's the stones I was on. I don't know how to get across it. Let's have a look. I've got to walk quite a way. I'll go and do that. A lot of traffic on Promenade. It's supposed to be on lockdown. I don't know where they're all going, unless they're all coming back from work. I don't know how far to hold this away to make it, you know, to have a decent view. But anyway, it's just getting dark, so we've not got long. Anyway, this is what I see every day. How good is that? So you can see all the stones on the beach. Well, look, that's where I walked. I started up there and I walked all the way down there. Or did I? Oh, I think I walked half of it because I was freezing and it was late at night as well. Anyway, we have to wait till it gets dark. Heed the message, look. So I thought I'd show you what it looked like in daylight. Well, as much daylight as there is. It's getting dark now. Nice little camper there on Promenade. Sundance. This camper's here all the time, so I don't know if they actually live there. There's another one further down. In fact, I can see 1, 2, 3 and that one 4. And then we get further down, there'll be a lot more. I didn't bring mine because it's... people just think you're taking the mickey. Although, you know, I'm not against anybody taking a camper anyway. If you take it, if you fancy you're on your vehicle, well, you've got to take it out, haven't you? That's what I did last time. I, you know, just drove the camper. I do drive the camper and put a light on, just so that, you know, keep the engine going, get the heater blowing, and warm the oil up, because oil does go off after a long while. Anyway, so all we have to do now is muck about till it gets dark, and so that's what we're going to do. I'm not meeting anybody at all. I'm not near anybody on the beach. It's going to be dark when I'm on the beach, and this is my exercise. So exercise It doesn't say how long you've got to sit in your car for before you go out and exercise. That's all I'm doing. This is my one journey to go out, and that's what I'm doing. So, although I've made 2 journeys today, because obviously gave them mother a dinner, Brenda a dinner. Right, I'll come back to you when it's dark. Oh, I'll show you the torches I've got. This one, I'll probably blind myself with it. There. You can actually alter the beam, you know, but it's LED. So, and then we've got the black light. And I actually brought 2 GoPros with me just in case, you know. I will show you the vlogging kit that I've got, because somebody did say to me, you know, show us the sound and everything. So I'll show you that. Make an interesting video. If you're making videos or you want to make videos, you know, I hope you realise I'm wasting time. If you want to make videos, the Rode wireless mic is absolutely excellent. There's a link in the description. You can have a look at prices of them, and for me, it's, you know, I charged it up, what, it must have been the end of November I charged it up, and I haven't charged it since. So every video I've made since then has been with the charge that they've had. So, and it does go dim, but I think they've still got half a charge. But don't forget, I'm only videoing like a 10-minute video or a 20-minute video. So, you know, it looks like they're lasting 2, 3, 4 hours at a time. It's doing well. So there you go. Right, I'm gonna get my flask out of the boot, and I'm gonna have a coffee and wait while it gets dark. And then the black light will come into its own. So, I did say I was going to try and entertain you while we're on lockdown. If you can only get out at night time, go and buy a black light. There's something to do in it. I want to find agates, but I don't think agates show up with the black light. I'm not sure. I haven't found any. The rocks I did find, I only brought them rocks back with me just to show you, really. It didn't show it. When I held it away from the camera, you could get the effect of what it was, so I understand that now. So if I find anything that's glowing in the dark on the beach, I'll show you. But just be aware that on the beach, there's broken glass there, there's nails, there's old fishing line with hooks on it. You've got to be careful on the beach. I know a lot of people just let the kids go running and do what they want. There is a lot of danger on the beach, believe it or not. I have cut my feet before. I think if you don't cut your feet on the beach, you haven't lived. Anyway, right, I'm going to come back when it gets dark. See you in a bit. Well, we're on the beach. I brought the other torch as well so you could see me. It's busy on the promenade though. So the only thing is now we've got a bit of a walk because there's no stones here. Oh, there's a few. It's absolutely blowing a gale. So I'm going to change to the other light. I didn't think there was any stones at this part of the beach, I thought it was all sand. Anyway, let's swap torches. Now I don't know if you can see that, but you will if I see something glowing. It's very windy. Right, I'll walk to all know where the stones are and I'll bring you back. I'll get the other torch and you can see. It's absolutely freezing. There, look, can you see? Only thing in there that would glow like mad on that light. So I'm going to walk up till I find something glowing and I'll bring you back. I'm hoping you can see that. It's pink. Obviously it's not when you turn the light off, but something that glows will really glow. So I'm hoping we'll see something. All the seashells glow. Oh, I don't know if you can see, that's like one of them I saw, one that I've got in the van. Not as glowing though. It looks like it's got quartz in it. Quartz in the rock. Anyway, we'll keep going. Shells certainly glow, don't they? Look at that. Don't know if it's doing it justice, but I'll show you under ordinary light and you get the comparison. I'm going to take that one, won't I? I don't think this is the best part of the beach. We've got the middle of the tell. It's shining on the beach, so I don't know if you see Grange over there, but we'll get next to the wall. It's hard to see because there's a lot of light from there. This is where I am, look, you see. That's what we're looking at. I'm freezing. Can't see anything standing out and glowing at me. The other thing is, you don't know if it's a hobby that other people do. I'm sure it is, because I've watched them on YouTube. So you don't know how many people come down to this beach doing this. Now, there's nobody here now, but old beer can. No, I'm not seeing anything. I'm trying to get out of the light from the hotel, is what I'm trying to do. See that? You can see that glistening, look. That's how a stone would stand out at you. What was that one? Oh no. Bit of green on it. That's where I am. I'm freezing. I hope you can see me. Right, so we only found one stone, but I'm going to bring it back and keep it anyway. It's something to do, innit? What else can you do? I won't be long. Oh, where's my car? Right down there. I've walked miles down this beach. Oh, we'll get there. It's absolutely wicked. That wind is freezing. Anyway, I'll see you when we get to the car. Where's my stone I found? See, that doesn't look anything when you're just looking at it like that. And yet, you put the light on it. I'm dropping the other one. I'll put it on there, let's have a look. Yeah, let's turn that light out. Do what? How weird does that look? Huh. Oh. Drop my torch now. Oh, I'm freezing. Absolutely freezing. Oh heck, the things you do, eh? Oh well, I've had fun. It's absolutely freezing out there. Oh, this car's driving past me thinking, what's he got a big torch on for? I'm making a YouTube video on Morecambe Promenade. Yeah, I've chosen an area of the beach that it's a bit light really. The reflection off the street lights in the middle of the tell. Not the best part of the beach I could have gone on really. The other one was better when I was further down the other night and I got them other stones. But anyway, nothing actually stood out and glistened to me. So there is a big river near me, so I could go for a walk down the river. Just obviously playing it safe. This is why I kept this torch. I brought it with me, so you know, you get into trouble, you can summon help and all sorts. This has SOS on it and all sorts. Anyway, so from a failed trip, but it's still a trip. I've been out, I've enjoyed myself. I'm absolutely freezing. Oh, my nose is running. I'm Smithy. I'm not in my Contiki at the minute, but anyway, stay safe, be lucky, and I'm definitely going to see you soon. So from me to you, get yourself a black light, get out and find some stuff. I never found anything interesting today, but the treasure hunting continues. You never know. Anyway, see you soon.